Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get to the Legend of Zelda, Twilight Princess. This beloved action-adventure game offers an expansive world, intricate dungeons, and a captivating narrative that has enchanted millions of players. To embark on this epic journey, you first need to understand the different ways you can access this title. We will cover its various versions and platforms, guiding you through the process of acquiring and starting your adventure in Hyrule and the Twilight Realm. The Legend of Zelda, Twilight Princess originally launched on two distinct Nintendo platforms, the Nintendo GameCube and the Nintendo Wii. The Wii version introduced motion controls for sword combat and aiming, while the GameCube version retained traditional button inputs. Later, a beautiful high-definition remaster, Twilight Princess HD, became available for the Nintendo Wii U, featuring enhanced graphics and additional content. Knowing these options helps you choose your preferred way to play. To acquire the game, you have several options depending on your chosen platform. For the GameCube and Wii versions, physical discs are typically found through online marketplaces or retro game stores. The Wii U's high-definition remaster can be purchased digitally from the Nintendo eShop or as a physical disc. Always verify the game's region compatibility with your console to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Once you have your copy, starting your adventure is straightforward. For physical discs, simply insert the game into your console and power it on. If you have the digital Wii U version, select it from your console's home menu. Follow the initial on-screen instructions to create a new save file, and you will soon find yourself stepping into the shoes of Link, ready to explore Hyrule and confront the encroaching Twilight. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.